Hey, and welcome to this new video of learning and mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we learn how we can do a form inside another form. So let's see how we can do that. So here we see that in this image we have we send this data static, and this is not good or not beautiful. So first of all, we will think, if we see the previous video, that we need to create another form for this image. So let's create it. Let's go to our git bash and let's create it with a command php. So, and instead of post, we now with image. Let's hit enter, and he will create a new form in here. So he's creating, and we see here that image type, or this new form, it's already created or it's created successfully. And here by default, if we didn't specify the type, he take the type as a text. So now let's see how we can add this form inside this other form. So to do that, we will consider this image type as a type. So let's go in here first. Let's use it in here. So use block bundle form image type, and let's use it in here, for example, before the active, or let's put it before slug add, and let's name it, for example, image, and as type we will give it image type to class. Now we add, or we insert the image file inside the image form inside the post form. So now let's go to here to our controller, and let's go to the twig, or the formula that we create to create HTML. And here basically how we can call this image type, it's the same thing as we did in here. So let's for example to draw a line in here, and also a line in here, just to see this new form. And here I will just copy this, and here change form slug to form with the name of the attribute, and we put it as image. So form image, and we know that in image there is two things, the URL and the alt. So here dot URL, and here again I will just copy and paste this line again. Now let's add the alt. Let's save, alt, and here alt, and here also I will draw a line for the title. Now if we go and refresh, so let's refresh, continue, and see in here we can see the URL and the alt. So here basically here the first line that we draw, and here is the second, and those two are the form or the image type. So now we learn how to add a form inside another form. So now let's go back to our code, or to our controller, and delete. First I will just copy this link so that I will not search for it, and I will delete this in here, save this, and I will delete also the set image, save, and let's go and check in navigator. Now here when I refresh in the navigator I see this URL, so let's try to fill it in. So title 3, disk 3, slug 3, and URL I will so yeah, the URL that I just copied, and in the alt I will say like just Symfony and active. So now let's save, and it's save it to show it. I think we create another path or method that show, I think post show. So let's click on it. Instead of showing it in HiGSQL or localhost, let's show it in here, or just post. So enter. Yeah, and here we see this new title that we just did, title 3, description 3 that we just create. And also if we go and check it on our HiGSQL here, let's refresh, and we see it with title type. So basically this one with slug SL and description also 3. So now we learn how to add a form inside another form. So I think it's all for this video, and